Hello people, I hope you all are doing fantastic, great. Again, I am back while taking the reduced syllabus in the chemistry. That means in this particular session, I will be talking about the reduced syllabus. Even I have stated in the chemistry, you can go to the playlist, you can check it. But today I will be talking about, the page wise page deleted. That means the page wise deleted, the point wise deleted, the question which you want to read, the question which you don't want to read, even the topic which is very important, the topic which is not important. And the most important topic I'm gonna say you that, see, generally out of 100 school, 99 schools generally they prefer conscience Selena of a chemistry, right, from all over the India. But people there are having many kind of students, even they read the entire book, while many things has been reduced by the syllabus before 2 years. I mean to say that before 2 to 3 years many things are there in your book which you don't need to study at all. That means which is out of the syllabus. But you people, what you do, you don't look after the syllabus but you go on reading. Not only I'm talking about the chemistry but also in mathematics, in physics, geography, computer also the important thing. Everything you're gonna read, you generally used to go for the random stuff or the random revisions. For that people, for that reason only I have come while taking the topic which it was deleted before 3 to 4 years, the topic which has been reduced this years, and I have done the miscellaneous of all the things and I have taken it out while I have come here while taking the special content for you all people, that which topic you need to study, which topic has been completely entire deleted, right? As well as even I want to say you all people that if any teacher is looking after the video, please do not take me negative. My intention is not to hurt you all, but generally there are having many kinds of teachers also. They don't even go to the syllabus that just you read that, you read this, it's very important, will come in exam. But no, I am saying you all people to go for the smart work, to go when you will be going to the examination hall, you should, you people should go for the smart work. You should have a smart as well as smart study, random study, and what generally will come in exam, you have to give a lots of importance to that. So without making any delay, let the video get started. All right. And the students those are new to this platform, I want to say that the physics, chemistry, so physics, mathematics, the videos I have made, many things I have made about the ICSE content, go to the Telegram, everything you will be getting, everything in a free of cost, whatever, the PDF, the important questions, the question which is going to come in the midterm exam, the important question of the session of the 2022, all the important question of starting from Hindi, ending with the geography, computer, everything you will be going and you will be getting in a Telegram with a free of cost, yes, with no doubt. As well as if you cannot even understand anything, you can DM me in the Insta, as well as you can mail me out. The mail ID has been given also in the description box. Do check out. So let us start with the chapter number 1 of a chemistry. In the chapter number 1 of a chemistry, which stands as the periodic classification, periodic properties, variations, many more. In the particular chapter, the first chapter which stands as introduction, as well as also I am talking about the students. Children, if you are sitting without a book, generally do not watch the session. If you want to watch the session, you have to look after the book, you have to hold the pencil in your hand, you have to look after the book, you have to pause the video, and you have to just put a cross line, whatever you wanted to do. But without looking at the book, without having analysis, kindly I am suggesting all the ICSE aspirant standard 10, do not watch it. Do not, because it is not going to help you out. Okay, so as you know very well, chapter number 1, periodic classification, and yes, the first chapter, that is introduction. Introduction means what? Introduction of Mendeleev, Henry Moseley, Mendeleev, Newlands, octets. The first introduction which you don't need to study because it is out of syllabus, and वो 2 साल पहले ही डिलीट हो चुका था. That means it is the out of syllabus which has been deleted 2 years back. 2 years back, right? Only page number 1 as well as 2 of the introduction you have to delete, and as well as after that each and everything everything you have to read as it is. Coming to the chapter number 2, chemical bonding. People and the chemical bonding, Even you all, I am assured that you all might have read about the orbital structure. I mean to say that chapter number 2 chemical bonding, in the chapter number 2 chemical bonding, come to the page number 25. If you are having a consent Selena, come to the page number 25. There you will be getting a now the page number 25, there will be getting formation of ammonia. Put a big cross of it, you will be getting in a table formation of ammonia, page number 25. If you are having a new edition, in a new edition book, it is page number 25. If you are having old edition book, that means page number 26, 25, something upar niche thoda hota hai, right? Do not ignore about that. But formation of ammonia, put a big cross over that. And the formation of ammonia generally it is in, you know, it is in a box, pink color or red color, something box it is, right? Acha. As well as electron dot structure. Electron dot structure is very important, as well as electrovalent bond. Generally two types: orbital structure, electron dot structure. Generally electron dot structure is very important. You will be looking electron dot structure means I will be talking about in this way, right? Mg, something like that. This is a type of electron dot structure. That means it is very important. But many teachers also used to say that very important topic which is all about orbital structure. But no, before 2 to 3 years, orbital structure has been completely out of the syllabus. That means orbital structure, you have to put a big cross over there. Orbital structure, no need to read of the orbital structure. मतलब तुम्हें जो circle type का करना, which you should not did. Coming to the redox reaction on the same page, same chapter number 2, redox reaction, the last page of the chapter redox reaction complete, that also is out of the syllabus. But if you want to read, you can. There is having not a single compromise of it, but the question is not going to come from the redox reaction. As well as the children, whatever I am talking about here, from that particular topic, the question is that question is not going to come. But if you people want to read it, generally I am teaching everything because I generally, you know, I want that my students should know the basic concept about that. And you might be thinking, sir, where you are teaching? I am teaching in my offline, right? Whatever. If you might be thinking that, sir, you know, whether it is necessary to read, but I would like to recommend you to read. But generally, it is not going to come in your exam. Generally, this is, I can assure you, these things are not going to come in exam, which I have written in the whiteboard. Anyway, let us stick to the topic. Redox reaction, we don't need to study. Chapter number 3. In the chapter number 3, acid introduction padna hai. As well as uses of acid, you have to read. Many things are there in the acid, you have to read. What you don't need to study, that you don't need to study, that is CP stands for chemical properties. Chemical properties of acid, number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If I am not wrong, let me recall it. You know, reaction with chloride, reaction with carbonate, reaction with sulfide, you know, something. I can recall that. Many more are there, I can even recall. The chemical properties of 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, page number 19-20 हो सकता है बाबू, मगर the number 19-20 नहीं होता. That any addition you just come and take it, but children, the number sequence never get changed, but the page number get changed. Okay, do not worry about that. That means in the page number 37 of the acid, you can go after the chemical properties 3, 4, 5, 6 as well as 7. Acid things is over. That means this entire thing you don't need to study. Apart from that, everything in case of acid you need to study. Let us start with the basic, right? Bases. Base. In the page number 40, come to the page number 40 of a consent Selena. Preparation of base. Preparation of base has been completely deleted. 3.92, you can go and look after the children. 3.9.2, preparation of base has been completely deleted, right? Acha, only preparation of base laboratory has been completely deleted. Apart from that, nothing has been deleted in case of preparation of, in case of base as well as in case of acid. Let us start with the salt. 3B of a salt. In a salt, children, look after the book. Salt will be there. The first thing in the salt, it is like, you know, partial replacement, complete replacement, partial replacement, complete replacement. Very important. एक मार्क का क्वेश्चन पूछ जाता है कंपल्सरी में, एक मार्क का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Very important, children. After that, a classification of the salt. Classification of the 6 type of salts. What are the normal salt, acid salt, basic salt? I repeat, mark it down as well as underline it down. Normal salt, acid salt, basic salt. The 3 things which you need to study, as randomly. Apart from that, the rest of the salt is there, like double salt, mixed salt as well as complex salt, which has been out of the syllabus. Double salt, mixed salt, कॉम्प्लेक्स सॉल्ट इज आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस, वो जो पहले से ही नहीं था, मगर बच्चे लोग रैंडम पढ़ते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर. I really don't understand why they are. Shall I give a new good news again to your people? That after basic salts, after basic salt, that means normal salt, acid salt, basic salt you have to read. But after basic salt, whatever it is there till the end of the chapter, everything has been deleted. Yes, everything has been deleted which was not there in the syllabus in beforehand, before it has been deleted in the syllabus, it has been reduced, and this year also it has been reduced. That moral of the story I wanted to say, that from the basic salt, whatever it is there, everything you have to delete. All exercise, all examples, all in-text questions, all the page number. After 3b, the 3c is there. Water of crystallization, you might be thinking, the water of efflorescence, this deliquescence, they are not going to come. Nothing, they are not going to come. They are not in the syllabus. Even they are completely reduced this year, right? That means you have to read till basic salts, right? Apart from that, everything you have to omit that. Chapter number 4, coming to the analytical chemistry. In the analytical chemistry, everything you have to read. What you don't need to study, that means you have to go for the point is there 4.4, 4.5. In the 4.5, there is having an action of alkali of metal. 4.4, just go for the 4.4, action of alkali of metal. 4.5, action of alkali of metal oxide. Action of alkali of the metal oxide. In that particular table might be there. उस टेबल में ऊपर दिया गया है जिंक, then after aluminium, then after lead. So zinc and lead you have to cross it. Am I written something? Yes. Zinc and lead you have to cross it. Only aluminium you have to read. I repeat, action of metals, action of alkalis of metals, only aluminium you have to read, children. In metal oxide, in metal hydroxide 4.5, only aluminum hydroxide you're gonna read. Apart from that, everything has been deleted. Everything means what? 4.4, 4.5 in the table, nothing you have to read. Very very important. आता है एग्जाम में बच्चों. And the most important, again I am talking about only this much. Apart from chapter number 4, everything you have to do. Chapter number 5, coming to the chapter number 4, mole concepts, stoichiometry. I can even say here 60 to 70%, 80% complete reduced syllabus. 80% what? Children, the things which you need to study, everything you don't need to study. Wow, you might be thinking, sir, what the topic you are talking about? Yes, in a mole concept, 5A को total delete करो. Section A, mole concept, stoichiometry, section A, everything you have to omit. Put a big cross over there. 5B, also put a big cross over there. What you need to study, that is a vapor density, which is there in the point 5.10. I repeat, children, go to the book 5.10, number 4, vapor density. Very important concept. That particular thing is going to come from the 5B, if I am not wrong. 5B for us. 5A has been deleted, right? 5A, exercise 5A, section 5A, no need to study. In 5B also no need to study. If you need to study something else, you have to study only vapor density. Vapor density का numericals करना है. Numericals not there. Numericals example 16 might be there. Yeah, 16, 15 or 17. I have forgotten. Oh yaar, how can I remember everything? Perhaps 17, 15, 17 perhaps. Yeah, 17. Done. Achha, if anything is there, just you can relate that, right? So vapor density is very important. Vapor density is very important. The vapor density 5.10 for number point vapor density. What you do? Yes. Again, I have forgotten something. In a vapor density, no derivation you have to do. No derivation you need to do because it has been deleted. It has been syllabus has been reduced from the last 2 years. No derivative you have to do. What you need to memorize, that the formula you have to need to memorize, because without formula you cannot do the numericals, and the numericals is going to come. Pakka likh lo mera baat, vapor density se. And what more? Formula you need to understand, the definition you need to understand, this much, nothing more. Coming to the section C, percentage composition, empirical formula, molecular formula. That means children, percentage composition has been entirely deleted. Just put a big cross on the percentage composition. Percentage composition no need to do, but empirical formula पूरा करना है, molecular formula everything you have to do. The moral of the story of the chapter number 5 is a very important, is a very little bit tricky as well as difficult also, but I can relate, I can say you all people that in this chapter everything I can say has been deleted except vapor density, empirical formula, molecular formula. If everything has been deleted, only 3 topics has been left: empirical formula, molecular formula, vapor density. That means apply the logic from where the question is going to come. Generally the question is going to come, maximum question is going to come from the numericals that stand from the empirical formula, molecular formula. That means you have to go through the random, you have to go to the bit to bit, you have to go to the each line. Do not worry, I will be there. I will be there when the exam will be there. I will be coming, each type of question generally comes or not. I will be, do not worry about that. If you are coming to this platform, you can trust me blindly. I will be there to solve it out each and every issues. Coming to the chapter number 6, electrolysis, everything you have to read. Nothing has been deleted, everything you have to read. What you don't need to study, little bit point is there which has been deleted, which has been out of the syllabus, or else I can say reduce syllabus also. The last thing is there, chapter number 6, the last page of the chapter number 6. I repeat, the last page of the chapter number 6, that is all about application of electrolysis. In the application of electrolysis, second number point, second extraction of metals, उसको खाली डिलीट करो, एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मेटल को खाली डिलीट करो, बाकी एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू रीड. 6.9 पेज नंबर 103 in the Salina consent. Coming to the chapter number 7, metallurgy. Metallurgy, one of the longest, I can say longest chapter. Many sections are there because E sections are there, A to E. That means section number A, complete, put a big cross. A नहीं पढ़ना, metallurgy section A नहीं पढ़ना, B नहीं पढ़ना, B पढ़ना है. B activity series है, B activity series you don't need to study. A and B, put a big cross. Exercise 7A, 7B also put a big cross. In test question which has been there in the exercise 7A as well as exercise 7B, put a big cross. Coming to the 7C, occurrence of the metal, the first page of the occurrence of the metal, 7C, occurrence of the metal, the first page, the left में दिया गया है बच्चों, क्या दिया गया है, टेबल होगा, or something zinc or something is there. Very important short questions, compulsory. Chemistry section A, compulsory question from that particular table question is going to come. You might be thinking, sir, how it is possible? Wait for the midterm exam. If people you have not given any kind of exam, wait for the exam. Let your school conduct exam. Wherever you are, from Jammu Kashmir, from Punjab and Gujarat first, and the Gujarat, many thanks to the Gujarat people for the love and support, for the many random SMS and all. Many that ignore that part. Wherever you are, wherever in which school you are, you will be let the exam get comments. Everything you will be getting to know. Let us start with the 7C, occurrence of metal. Left side, the table which has been there completely has been. You are very important, and the formulas, the definitions are also there in the occurrence of metal. What are the definition? Only that particular definition you have to do, like minerals, metallurgy, ores. Occurrence of metal 7C, you have to go to the particular page, you have to look after the page 7C, minerals, ores as well as metallurgy definition only you have to do, and many definitions are there like Gengu, matrix, flux, slag. General teachers, very important question में आएगा, question is very no, which has been not in syllabus. Slug, flux, what more I left? Gengu, put a big cross, no need to read. Acha, 7C, occurrence of metal I have done. Again coming to the, then apart from that everything has been deleted. 7D, everything has been deleted. That means 7A भी सब खत्म. 7C का पहला और max to max second वाला page. Up to the definition, only this much you have to read. Apart from that everything has been deleted. Coming to the aluminium. Coming to the aluminium, children, in the aluminium, everything you have to read. In the aluminium, everything you have to read. What you don't need to study, that is refining of aluminium. Refining of aluminium you don't need to study. Go to the page number. I have not mentioned page number here. I have forgotten perhaps. Aluminium refining, my video is working. Let me check it out. Yeah, it is. So, where I have forgotten? Yeah, refining of aluminium. refining of aluminum, you have to delete it. And the properties of physical aluminum, physical properties of aluminum, chemical properties of aluminum have to deleted. Complete physical properties of aluminum, chemical properties of aluminum deleted, refining of aluminum deleted. Apart from that, everything you have to do, right? Coming to the uses of metal, 7E, uses of metal and alloys. Uses of metal nahi karna, that also has been deleted. Uses of metal, only alloys you have to do, only alloys you have to do. And if I'm not wrong, only alloys you have to do. Yes, the last page of the exercise, the last page of the exercise of the metallurgy, that is having a table of a 7.2, that is having a table of a 7.2. Many things are there in the table. Iron is there, zinc is there, lead is there, and I cannot recall what is more is there. Only you have to do, children, iron. Only iron you have to do. That means pehla wala hi karna hai. The rest is there in the table 7.2. Table 7.2, page number 31 in the new edition. If you are holding the new edition, page number 31. If you are holding the old edition, maybe page number 130 or 132, something like that. But table 7.2, when will be go iron, the last page of the exercise, table will be there 7.2. Only iron you have to do. Composite वाला जो percentage में दिया गया है, बच्चों उसको नहीं करना. Generally पूछा नहीं जाता. पूछा नहीं जाता means don't do. Simple and straight. You can trust me blindly if you want. You don't need to study. Apart from that, don't need to study means what? 7.2 iron, everything you have to read, but the composition is there in the middle session. Composition is there, something the values has been written, no need to study that particular point. Zinc, lead, many things are there, complete, put a big cross. Apart from that, everything you have to read. Coming to the chapter number 8, HCl. Coming to the chapter number 8, HCl, everything you have to read as it is. What you don't need to read? Uses of HCl. Uses of hydrochloric, study of compound, hydrochloric, a study of compound, HCl, uses of HCl you don't need to study, laboratory test of HCl you don't need to study. That means 8.7, 8.8 complete, put a big cross over there. Page number 140, page number 140 का CP, chemical properties number 5 नहीं करना. Page number 140, chemical properties. If you are having any kind of difficulty in the page number, you can go to the chemical properties number 5, put a big cross. Uses of HCl, test, laboratory test of HCl, 8.7, 8.8, put a big cross. Chapter number 9, ammonia. Chapter number 9, ammonia, 9.7, 9.8, no need to do that, beta. Preparation of metal nitrate, yes. Preparation of metal nitrates, no need to do that. As well as the test of nitrate, as well as the uses of, test of ammonia, uses of ammonia also you don't need to study. Chapter 9, complete, put a big cross. In the nitric acid, study of compound nitric acid, the same in the nitric acid also, only uses of nitric acid, test of nitric acid, many big topics are there, you don't need to study, but chemical properties, physical properties करना है nitric acid में आएगा question, याद रखो. Sulfuric acid, many things are there in the sulfuric acid, many things are there in the sulfuric acid, but I would like to recommend you all people that figure 11.1, sulfuric acid, suppose sulfuric acid there in this page, you will be looking after the another page, figure एक बड़ा सा figure दिया है, laboratory many things have been given, figure 11.1, put a big cross, no need to go into the deep. As well as little bit in below you will be saying some functions might be written. The function is generally written in the sulfuric acid, generally you also put a big cross over there. Nothing you have to do means what? You don't need to study anything, only you have to study only equation with condition. In a sulfuric acid, if you want to read something, that only equation of a condition you have to read, you should not read in a complete analysis and details. If you cannot understand only equation with condition, you can drop a text to me, I will be making another video for that. Chapter number 12, organic chemistry, your favorite chapter, I think so. It's not yours. Alright, even not for any teachers also. Anyway, organic compounds as well as organic chemistry. See, chapter number 12 has been written organic chemistry. Turn the page. When you will turn the page, you will be looking after cyclic compounds. 5 to 6 example are there, cyclic compounds. Put जितना भी cyclic compound का example है, बड़ा cross लगा दो, नहीं आएगा exam में. Cyclic compound are not going to come in the exam. So, see cyclic compound over. Chapter number 12, organic chemistry. Turn the page. Have you turned the page? After that, something has been written over there. What? Now, cyclic compound, many examples are there. The left corner we will be looking after. Many examples are there. After that, And on the below of the example, you will be looking after that benzene, the table of the benzene. The table of the benzene is very important. Sure, short question of the board examination. Table, only benzene is there. Table is very important. Put a very important, very important. Whatever you want to put it very important. After that, benzene over. The next page, one of the nomenclature would be there. If I am not wrong, 12.3 table beta, nomenclature will be there. In the last 2 point, keto and ether. The last second point, the last 2 point, keto and ether, put a big cross. No need to do that. Page number 176, isomers. The definition of isomers, polyisomers, metamerism, definition nahi karna. Generally teachers are there, they will be talking, do this, do that, but it is out of the syllabus. Pehle se hi nahi tha wo sab, right? Isomers, metamerism nahi karna. Preparation of alkyls, yes. Preparation of alkanes, alkynes, alkenes. Preparation and uses. I repeat, याद रखो जल्दी से जाकर section B, section C, section D, everything just to go, and section D is alcohol, sorry, section B and section C, everything you just go and do that. Preparation of alkynes, alkenes as well as alkanes, right? Don't need to study. As well as uses also, uses of that, no need to study, has been deleted. And only reaction you have to remember, only reaction, nomenclature, many more are there. Read it randomly, I would like to say. Acha, what more left? Substitution reaction, very important. Slow combustion, very important. You have to go after that. Decomposition of alkanes, decomposition of alkyls, page number 186. Decomposition of alkanes is very, that is very important. What is not going to come in exam? Not going to come in exam, right? Put a big cross. Again, I am coming here, page number 187. Catalytic oxidation, no need to study catalytic oxidation. Okay, generally why I am saying this all, that you don't need to study. I am written amendment point. For example, catalytic oxidation, decomposition of alkalis, a very important topic. You people will think, oh why this is very important, we will read this, it will come in exam. Generally you people will waste time on this. I don't want that my children should waste time in this. If you want to read, you can read something other which is a related syllabus. So you can read that. So that's the reason I have written here. Okay, I hope you can understand my point. Page number 190, addition reaction, substitution reaction, addition reaction of alkanes, addition reaction of alkanes as well as alkanes. Very important. As well as the chemical properties also, it is there, very important. You have to read it. In coming to the alcohols, and carbolic acid, coming to the alcohols and carboxylic acid, everything you have to delete, only nomenclature you have to remember. Apart from that, पूरा लंबा बड़ा cross लगा बच्चों. As well as the alcohols, also only nomenclature. Apart from that, nothing means nothing. Now you might be thinking, sir, chapter number 13 practical work, nothing. That is कभी वो include ही नहीं था syllabus में. This is all about. I am very tired. Anyway, this is all about. So let me come again stronger hard with the next chapter. And many people are also saying, sir, why you are not teaching, and I will give the answer of that in the next class. Thank you, cheers. As well as just I hope the session is very important to you all. The session is very I hope the session is also useful to you all people. If the session is useful, I would like to recommend, I would like to even request that please share it as much as you can with your friends, because if you are getting the benefits, why you will not give the benefit to your friends, right? Friends or relative members, everything just to share with them, those who are in 10th grade ICSE only. Apart from that, no need to share with anyone. Only this much I want to say at the end. Thank you, cheers. God bless everyone.